Like it charges you when you stop.
Which the back is. Like the back is hurting to feel. Like these front springs they're wonderful.
You want to get out and go on the other side of this, and we'll flex it out right here. So we got the front springs done, and then we was checking it to see how it rode compared to the back, and it's that's a what do you think, Pina? It's crazy different.
I think it's crazy having the fronts done and not the back, because you can tell
You can feel a complete
the
difference.
back suck.
Like the front, usually I can't drive like this on this road. It beats me to death. And really, you can hear the back there just beating around, because we haven't completed that part yet.
We've got 30 pounds of air in the tires. We've got broken shocks.
I got 2 broke shocks in the front.
It's made such a difference.
And just the springs alone, you feel the difference on that?
The back is stock back is just...
You hit that rock and it soaks it up, then you hit the back and it's like a wagon. So
I think the first time the mic's hit the wind, and mine does it the entire time, and you have nothing.
Oh, the mic?
Yeah, nothing's right.
No, right. We got blowed out shocks. The tires have too much air, and the back ain't done. But the front is so much more.
Like I can hear it attempting to make the shocks work, and they won't.
Yeah. So.
It's the back's got no give right now.
Like the back's like riding on a sled. The front, you can feel it trying to work. So we'll get some shocks coming, and we'll finish the back probably when it's not so daggone hot, and then we'll do another rundown and really get this thing tested out. But so far I think we're happy. Are you?
I'm happy.
I'm pretty thrilled with it.
Turn around. Go turn around.